The old 54 keeps on doing it.
Do get some gas. Did we run out of bullets?
Yes, you got plenty of gas.
No, got plenty of gas. Okay, good. Uh-oh, something happened. Just stopped. Hmm?
Don't have to grind that one. The country is in below freezing temperatures, and we're sitting out here, and I'm about to take my shirt off because I'm sweating. I think I'll be a little nice about the wind today. Here it is, what, February what?
4th.
Huh? February 4th? February 4th, 2023 in Florida. We're actually around north central Florida. So, you know, being it's 82 degrees or 83 degrees out here today, I'll take it. And for those of you who don't know, that I am from Michigan, so I do know what y'all are experiencing. And I get it. Even though that's why I live in Florida. Junk the Gems 3. So just letting you know what I'm doing here. Our starter switch on the tractor went out, and it's a 54. So they're really not readily available. Even though I did find one, I need the tractor today, not a week from now. So I happen to have this waterproof rubberized push start switch here around. So what I'm doing is I'm just wiring it up right now for a quickie so that I can stay moving. As y'all know, yeah, your equipment ain't working, you ain't working. Alright, we'll just tuck those back down in there. And also what happens, you can see down here, and just a little lesson for everybody, I decided to go cheap with the new solenoid. I bought the good starter off a 1954, it's for a 1954 Ford F350, but I thought I'd go cheap with the solenoid. Well, that didn't work. She didn't last but a very short time. So now we're hoping that this will work. So here we go for a test. As you see, 54 every time. Alright, so here we have a Cub Cadet RZT 50 zero turn. And our starter went out on it, so we're going to replace the starter today. And unfortunately, they are just nice and challenging, and they're buried up on these holes right here. So on these zero turns, you've got to take these bolts off. You got to take the initial cover off right here. So this all sits like this. You have to take the cover off, then this off, and then just loosen the bolts around the plastic, and then the whole thing will slide right off there. And button that gives you access into here. And these are 12mm bolts up inside here. And Portugal's sitting on the slab right now, so roll it up on the slab. So we won't have to do it the old school way. Sit out here in the dirt. So. So she's gonna take a little persuasion, wiggling it around to get it out of that hole, but that's it. You know, and as the famous movie would say, I thought she'd be bigger.
Go ahead.
As you can see, sometimes you can't always trust Amazon. Or at least some of their sellers on there, I should say. Because that's obviously not the right starter. So it looks like we'll be packing her back up and sending her back. Gems 3 again. Today we've got a little Cub Cadet RZT 50. And yes, I got these new lips at Walmart. Japanese instruction manual, I don't read Japanese. So. Anyway, if you ever find yourself with one of these and you're not getting spark to your plug or anything like that, and you're afraid that your coil might be going out or something, try checking these. Pull the top off and check for these two little tabs right here on your flywheel here. Chances are those are probably just getting rusty and dirty and just not getting it. So you can just take a little piece of, like here, I got a piece of 180 grit paper, and I just clean. Just clean them up real good, and a lot of times that will solve the problem. Alright, thanks again for watching. Don't be sure to subscribe and like the video if you do.